Today we're going to show you how to add a new location using the Haven Lighting app. Having multiple locations comes in handy when you have multiple homes or you're an installer with multiple clients. Here's how to do that. It's really easy. First, tap the menu at the top right and tap Locations. This will show you the locations you currently have. Right now my default location is Haven Training, but I want to add a new one. So I'm going to tap Add Locations, and by default it will preload the address that the GPS thinks you're at. This is great for our installers who have multiple clients, but for these videos, I'm going to call this location YouTube Videos. I'm going to set it as my default and tap Add Location. It's that simple. Now that I have this location, I can add controllers to it, which I will show you in the next video. For more info, visit us at Haven Lighting, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.